Welcome back. Now let us learn one of the technique that will talk about how do we do the sampling. And there are two methods for a sampling procedure. One is called probability sampling. It means there is some form of probability also there. So let us learn, and we'll start with a very basic, that is a simple random sampling. So here randomly you have a set of the data and each has the similar weightage or same weightage. So you randomly select the sample as much as you want. And sometimes it happens that people ask that what is the sample we should suggest or select. I have seen the various research paper that there is no upper limit or lower limit, but try to select around 5 to 15% from the sample, from the population. And let's assume that the data, the work which you are doing, and 15% has become too big, then try to select little bit less, but around 15% is good, and take 2-3 independent sample. So this is the sampling, very simple process. So second is stratified random sampling. Strata is the English word. Strata meaning of a group or some kind of segregation. So you have the list of the coins over here. Then you have made a group of the coins. Like this is for one group, this is for second group, this is for third group. So this is the strata. And strata is a simple English word. So in this case, either you can do your work on any one of the strata, or you take the some from here, some from here, and some from here. Okay. So this one is also a stratified sampling. And the good part of this one is that the final sample will also come from all three. So if you have taken the random sample in this situation, each strata or each group may not have the similar representation in the final sample. And there is a third technique called systematic random sampling. So you have data 100 and you want to select 20, then you know that if you select every fifth, you will get 20. So you keep on selecting every fifth. So this is the systematic some form way, and this is also one of the random sampling technique. Another is area basis, and this is quite helpful when you try to do the survey. So this is showing just one of the map of India, where the different languages being spoken, those are here. And if you want to try to identify something, then try to take from all these locations so that you can have the proper sample. And this is useful because this is useful for the scenario where the geography matters. So these are the sampling procedure in case of probability. The other is non-probability sampling. Okay, so in case of non-probability, it may happen that all the points or all the observation into the population, we may not get equal proportion or equal probability. So let us see that what those are. One is convenience. Convenience is a situation, use the data whatever is available to you that may or may not represent the actual population. Snowball. So you select first few randomly and let them represent or let them nominate someone else. So this is the word snowball. Purpose. So if you have some kind of pre-concept, or if you have already pre-idea or something through which you select this one, and this is called the purpose. Quota. And keep on taking by any one of these three till your upper limit is reached. So this is the non-probability sampling, and this one should be avoided because this brings biasness. If you can do the probability sampling, it means if you can do any one of this, it's good. But for some reason, if it is not possible, then you go ahead and do it. But make sure you represent your test couple of times so that it is not biased and your result is quite objective and the persistent. So make sure you do the test in 2-3 different at least 3 different sample before you conclude anything. That's all. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching this. See you in the next one.